Welcome to Spice Candies. We're making biting snake gummy bears. These look nice and chocolatey, which they are, but they're also hot and they bite back. I've been asked to make hot, spicy gummy bears. Didn't know exactly how to eat that, I have to say. Gummy bears are soft, sweet, nice for kids. You know, we got positive interactions with gummy bears, but habanero candies, not exactly my flavor. I like hot food, but gummy bears? Meh. Okay, still, challenge accepted. But what kind of gummy bear can you make that's adaptable for spicy hot flavoring? Well, that's an issue. And then I thought of chocolate. Chocolate and spicy chocolate are really fun. Let's go with chocolate, but I've never made any chocolate gummy bears, so let's get to it. So gummy bears are water-based, so we're going to start with milk, which is 97% water. Unlike jam, milk doesn't have any sweetness in it. Well, it does have a little bit of lactose, but that's not enough. So, let's spice it up, shall we? Right, let's start with 10 grams of chocolate chips. Let's kick that chocolatey note with a lot more, 10 more grams of cocoa powder. So far, this is not sweet whatsoever. We need a bit more of the good stuff. I like my sugar brown, tastes better, no special reasons. So we're going to add 10 grams of that. There we go. That's nice, but usually in gummy bears you have about 15 to 17 grams of sugar. And I'm talking just my regular gummy bears, no sugar added, just using your favorite jam, whatever jam you like. So, let's kick that up a notch, but I'm not going to use sugar. Let's do some honey. These are 7 grams of pure honey, and it's really good. This is a local farm that makes these honey-based products, and this is just pure honey, and they make really good honey. Not the store-bought brand. All right, so far so good. A sprinkle of cinnamon, just for the fun of it. No special measurement. And we're ready to mix. Okay, that's nice. All right, so this is nice and even now, but it is not a gummy bear, and this is gelatin. 12 grams of gelatin. Let's blend that in. And we'll let it sit and let the gelatin react. Almost forgot. We did say a spicy candy, right? We got some chili to add. Now, the habanero is, well, it's not ready. We need to make some jam out of this to be able to store it and make reliable quantities, amounts. But we can add chili. Now, I'm thinking we might actually want to add it as powder, not as granulars. But on the other hand, you're supposed to chew gummy bears, so it won't matter. You're gonna interact. So let's go ahead with that. But it's up to you to decide whether you like it this way or the other way. So we're blending it in. All right, see you in 10 minutes. This should be bouncy. Yeah, it is somewhat wet, but it's okay. Should be a bit more firmer, but we'll take it. 10 minutes have passed. It's microwave time. Okay, this is hot. Let's measure that. So it's 50. Should be a bit hotter than that. I'll give it 10 more seconds. 30 seconds plus 10. So, there we go. These are really cute, naive looking, but they're hot, spicy, chocolatey, and really, really fun. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a sweet day.